Hello, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com. Today I'm going to tell you a new joke of the day. This joke of the day is brought to you by the letter N. The joke is, why was the bird very happy at the restaurant when he received his meal? Because the reason why he's very happy is because he asked for worm soup. Okay, that's your joke of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. And another joke I could ask you is, why was there a worm in my soup when I went to the restaurant? Because I asked for worm soup. Okay, hope you have a great day, and wish you all the best for the next day or so. I might not be able to post a video for a few days, but I might if I have a chance, so I may be pretty busy. But hope you have a great time, and wish you all the best. Feel free to check out my other videos, as well as comment, subscribe, and like the video below. Make sure to click the subscribe button below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye for now, and have a great day. Once again, thank you so much to all my new subscribers who have joined me here on geoffmobile.com and geoffmobile on YouTube. Really appreciate your support and your interest in the videos I've been making about Vancouver restaurants, jokes of the day, new media technology, and occasionally another synthesizer video on the Roland Gaia. Okay, bye-bye for now. Talk to you later. Bye.